Hey guys, I'm Zachary from Fun King 3D, and I want to show you a magic trick. Now it's on time to unbox the MakerBox. Let's get this started.
Oh, must be time to unbox the MakerBox. All right. All right, everybody. So it's one of our most favorite times of the month, and that is the unboxing of the MakerBox. So, and we want to thank Zach for doing that fantastic magic trick to bring the MakerBox in. I realized something today, guys, and it's something that we probably should have planned for, but we didn't. There are 9 MakerBoxes up there. There's one sitting there, and there's one sitting there, and now there's one sitting here. And how many MakerBoxes does that make? It would be 12.
Oh, okay.
And what does that mean?
That it's 12.
That means that we have been receiving MakerBox for 1 year.
Oh.
This is our 1-year anniversary MakerBox.
Oh.
I think that's pretty spectacular, and I probably should have been watching for that, but I mean, not really happy birthday MakerBox because they've been around longer than that, and not really happy birthday us, but it is still our 1-year anniversary.
So no cake?
No cake. But so without further ado, we will get to the box. Now I heard that there is a special candy in here, so that
open it?
I guess that kind of makes up for our 1 year.
And no cake.
And no cake. Good job not cutting yourself, by the way. Why do you open the box upside down?
Ooh.
I don't see any candy.
Yeah, I don't either.
I don't see any candy. All right,
I think I seen it when I opened it.
First and foremost, we have a Stop and Smell the Filament from Protopasta sticker. We have an Earth 2018 sticker. We already have a whole stack of those. We have the card to get the MakerBox shirt. So if you don't already get a MakerBox, you definitely need to get a MakerBox. And there's a link in the description below. But there is also this guy here where you can get the MakerBox t-shirts, which we all have one of those. And I can put a link to that in the description as well. You guys can read that. And then on the back of that is some great discounts that I'm not going to share with you. If you want those discounts, you got to get your own MakerBox. This is from, is it Phil Alpha or Philo Alpha?
I don't know, but I definitely don't.
It's Philo Alpha.
I don't want to read this one.
You don't want to read that one? I don't know why. I will come back to that because I have a feeling that because of that, some of their filament is in here. So I will, you want to read that one?
You can read these two, and then I'll read the rest.
All right. So just so you guys understand why Xander doesn't want to read that. So this is from Form Futura, and this is Apollo X. Hot temperature of 235 to 255 with a bed temperature of 80 to 90 degrees Celsius. Medium speed, no fan. Enclosure and ventilation advised, treat like ABS. Apollo X is a professional high-performance engineering filament which is based on a uniquely industrial-grade modified ASA compound. Apollo X has been modified to have a great thermal stability, improved filament flowing behavior, zero warping, and flawless first and interlayer adhesion, allowing you to 3D print objects with an almost injection molded precision. Ooh, that's exciting. Apollo X is UV and weather resistant, and by that ensuring great color stability, combined with high strength and heat resistant properties. which makes Apollo X a perfect engineering filament for outdoors and automotive applications. That's actually, the automotive was what I was thinking about. This would be great for making parts in the car if it's that stable to temperature, and we'll have to test that out. It's a rigid filament. So, and again, that's Form Futura.
Yes, I will definitely.
And if you guys can't tell, that color is kind of a light gray.
I will definitely be reading this one.
Oh, you'll be reading that one, huh? All right. So this one is this is the Philo Alpha, and it's Grapholon. So that is hot in temperature of 170 to 210. So low temperature, bed temperature of room to 50. It is a PLA based material, so it requires a fan. Print speed from 40 to 120 millimeter per second. It may be abrasive. Consider hardened nozzle. A high quality PLA blended with graphene, 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 a special filament with exceptional physical properties of mechanical strength and thermal conductivity, coupled with highly defined surface finish with priceless printing simplicity. Thermal conductivity plus 100%. I don't really know what that means. I mean, I know what thermal conductivity is, but I don't understand when they say plus 100. So thermal conductivity translates to reduced print times and better definition in even small objects. Philo Alpha recommends Grapholon 3D for your complex prototypes with high aesthetic impact. That sounds really fancy. I don't know what we're going to do with that, but we'll figure it out.
Okay, finally a short-worded one. Ooh, candy.
All right, short-worded one.
Ooh, candy.
Let's
Ooh, candy.
Let's show everybody. This is Protopasta HTPLA V2 in teal. There you go.
Candy. No. Okay, so the hot temperature is 190 to 230. The bed temperature is room to 70. The speed is 30 to 90 millimeters per second. It's a mermaid's tail metallic teal HTPLA version 2. Prints like a great quality PLA. Anneal at 70 C for improved temp resistance, and it's Protopasta.
Do you know what annealed means?
No.
All right, so if you take this, once you make your print, if you put it in an oven at 70 degrees Celsius and let it bake, technically, it will bond the plastic together even better than when it comes out of your printer.
No.
All right, do you want to read that one?
No, I'm good.
All right, I'm gonna assume that this is the additional 50% because it's definitely heavier than the rest. And so this is PLA by IC3D, and if you guys don't know, we have a really great relationship with IC3D. In fact, we have some big news coming, which I can't share yet, but there's some big news coming. This is a PLA. It prints 190 to 200 degrees with a bed temperature of room temperature to 50. Speed is not specified, but I find about 60 millimeters a second is really good for this PLA. It does require a fan because it's PLA based. And yes, this is enjoy the 50% extra on this sample this month. A BB8 color matched orange PLA. We knew that already. This particular orange was actually, it was colored. It was modeled after the orange on BB8 of War Stars.
I want to make a BB8 now.
I didn't want to say the actual thing. IC3D extrudes 3D printing filament in-house in Ohio, USA. Strict production standards or cleanliness and for cleanliness and tolerance specifications ensures the diameter is within plus or minus 0.1 millimeter, and overall roundness is within 4%.
Yeah.
Quality is the top priority as each spool is hand tested with. Oh wait, no, I skipped a line. Is hand checked, vacuum sealed with desiccant, and packaged. IC3D filament is extensively tested with success on a variety of mainstream desktop 3D printers utilizing various extruder designs and hot end styles. Every spool of IC3D filament is backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee.
Yeah, Mouse Mickey would sue us.
Mouse Mickey, yeah. So again, we use a lot of IC3D. We've always got IC3D boxes back in the background that Xander's currently blocking. We've used quite a bit of their filament, and we thoroughly enjoy it. So it's really funny because I was having a thought just last week that IC3D needed to hook up with MakerBox and get some filament in there, but I guess I didn't have to get my thumbs in that pie. So, but it's awesome to see you guys in the MakerBox. So that's nice. That's two regular PLAs, a special PLA, and an engineering filament. So yeah, that's a really cool gray. I like that gray. So
I will make this candy disappear.
And now I understand what Matt was talking about with it's going to cost some dental bills to go up. Because airheads are so sticky.
I like airheads.
You like airheads? That's awesome. A couple stickers, some great discount codes. And sadly,
it's the end.
It's the end of the MakerBox for yet another month.
I can't wait another month. I want more airheads.
Well, you have to go out and get your own.
Oh.
But I'm super thrilled. It's now been 12 months. We have 12 boxes, a whole year of MakerBox, and we're still thoroughly enjoying it.
Okay, I see the two MakerBox.
Well, I have that one sitting there because it has some filament in it that I was using, and that one's sitting over there just because I didn't really have a spot to put it up on the stack.
It higher.
That's where my blue tape went. It's sitting up on top of that stack for some reason. But so that's going to wrap it up for this month's MakerBox. We're so excited to have you watching. If you like what we're doing, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications.
I can't wait to eat this head air.
As Zach likes to tell you, a thumbs up is always appreciated, not a thumbs down. Thank you guys so much for watching. From us here at Fun King 3D, as always, print on.